another banger vlog, as you guys already know. It is July 3rd. Can they hear me? It is July 3rd, the day before 4th of July? Alright. So basically I'm starting my vlog the night before just because we're gonna go to like a lake tomorrow and it's a party out there, but we're like burning flames and we're doing a bunch of crap. Hey, the music's going out, that's good. But we're gonna prank some people with some fireworks right now and I'll show you guys around and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Oh! Alright guys, it might be tough to hear me right now, but basically I guess I'll just see you guys in the morning because tomorrow's the actual 4th of July and I'll just be here in the morning, so we'll see you guys in the morning. So can we get our 4th of July W? No. Medkit, let's go. Dude, we got a medkit and let's go, dude. Alright guys, so we just got our stuff upgraded, which is good. 5 left.
I know, they're fighting each other.
What are you doing? How the heck are you hitting this? Let's go, boys! That's 8. You got damn on that one.
That was pretty good.
Let's go, dude. 4th of July win. Wow. 5 kills, boy. I didn't think those shots would hit.
Wait, so did he kill?
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jane here. Welcome back to another Banger Adventures Day. Morning time. Yesterday, you guys already saw me vlogging yesterday, and basically, you just saw me win again Fortnite, so they started off pretty good. Keen, what are you doing? I don't know what Keen's doing, guys. But me and Keen basically woke up at like 1, so it was pretty fun. And I got that Fortnite dub, and we're actually going to the lake house. I don't know if I stated that or not yesterday, but lake house it is today. And if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I post banger pictures at Jaden Overman. And yeah, the ground is really hot, so we're gonna go to the lake, and I guess I'll just see you guys there. Peace. Alright guys, you guys are gonna see what I'm doing. Ready? Here we go, boys. S. No. What the heck? I think that says sub. That look cool? Alright guys, I was supposed to say sub. But kind of messed up a little bit. Alright guys, so we have reached the lake, as you guys can see. And right now we're just going to set up the camera. We're just going to be doing a bunch of backflips and a bunch of flips and crap and whatever we want off this diving board. So I'm going to set up the camera and off the dock. So I'm going to set up the camera. We're going to do that, so let's go. Alright guys, we're canoeing right now. Oh yeah. Oh, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. Whoa. Whoa. It's a nice, beautiful view out here. Look at this nice view. Oh yeah. Stop and start over.
Zoom! Zoom in!
I am all the way.
This will not be worth it at all.
Guys, 4th of July gone wrong. 4th of July gone wrong right now?
Just carry it.
Run. It's so nice over there then. Oh my god, look how dark it is. The storm is coming. So nice, and then, oh my god. What's going on?
Good way to get everybody to help clean up.
Yeah.
Canoeing. Respect. Alrighty guys, so it is like 2 days later and I decided for the outro, since all my outros have been like third person, I decided to, for me to actually like hold the camera and go like this. I haven't done one of those in a while, so I decided to do one. But anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this beautiful vlog. Not really beautiful, but I just hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications. And it's me, boy Jaden, and I'm out. Peace!